If you have mobility challenges, a rollator can give you the freedom and stability you've been looking for. But ordinary rollators don't fold easily and are really bulky. For the ultimate in mobility, you want the Wonder Rollator from the experts at Standard. The Wonder Rollator is the most compact and portable rollator you've ever seen. Designed with Standard's patented EZ Fold-N-Go technology, the Wonder Rollator folds 3 times smaller than ordinary old-fashioned rollators and stands on its own when folded. It even fits in the front seat of your car. But the Wonder Rollator goes further. The patented braking system is safer, and when locked in place gives you a comfortable and stable place to sit and rest. And talk about sturdy. Engineered with aircraft-grade aluminum, it can support up to 250 pounds. Plus, it's completely adjustable. If you're short or tall, you can always count on being comfortably independent. And the Wonder Rollator comes with 6-inch swivel wheels for extra maneuverability, especially in those narrow doorways and tight spaces. No matter where you go, the Wonder Rollator is your perfect travel companion because it fits anywhere. It even folds slightly so you can walk down an airplane aisle and fits in the overhead compartment.
I see a lot of my kids and grandkids now. I don't miss the baseball games. I get to be involved. And they call me because they know Grandpa can get there.
But here's one of the best things about the Wonder Rollator. It's ready to use right out of the box. Absolutely no tools or assembly required. So go online to wonderproducts.com to order your Wonder Rollator right away. You get the incredibly sturdy and amazingly portable Wonder Rollator with its EZ Fold-N-Go technology and the soft cushion seat in your choice of color. Plus, you get our risk-free 30-day trial and a lifetime warranty. And you get free shipping. You can't put a price on safety, better mobility, and independence. Order your Wonder Rollator right now.